This SUNF A033 tire set pairs a slightly narrower front tire with a wider rear tire, giving all-terrain vehicles and utility terrain vehicles a stable planted feel on uneven ground. The directional V-shaped tread pattern digs in well on dirt, mud, sand, and rocky trails, so you get reliable forward bite and predictable braking in mixed conditions. A heavy six-ply construction and tough rubber compound make these tires noticeably resistant to punctures and cuts when you are running through roots, shale, or desert scrub. Deep lugs with an open pattern help the tires clear mud and loose soil while still maintaining good contact on harder packed sections of the trail. Pronounced shoulder knobs add sidewall protection and give extra grip when you are leaning into ruts, off-camber sections, or tight corners. The set works as a straightforward upgrade or replacement for many quads, utility terrain vehicles, go-karts, and similar machines that need a durable, tubeless all-terrain tire package.